All right. So we're going to make these biscuits, these chocolate ones. We've never made them before. We're going to give it a good hard crack, everybody. It's what you do when you're in the kitchen. I'm just trying to think what I was looking for. These are like a chocolate biscuit with a cream filling. I know, right? It's kind of epic. My oven is on 175. It's hot, it's piping, it's actually hot in here. And I'm going to do the cream filling first so it's done, and it's in the fridge to set a little bit. I have melted 175 grams, or 170 grams, sorry, of beautiful cacao paste. Now you are welcome to melt whatever you like. You could have like a dark chocolate, you could have whatever you like. I've got cacao paste, which is the purest form. I'm going to add my coconut cream in here. Now I'm using a cream coconut that's in a container, and it's called Cara, and I like it, and it's probably the only one that actually I find that sets this frosting. So, and it's kind of really versatile, this icing. And because cacao paste is so bitter, you are going to need sugar. So I've got some coconut sugar here. And like I said, if you had like a 73% chocolate or an 80% chocolate, you don't have to add any sugar to it, but this is 0 sugar in this chocolate cacao paste. All right, I'm just gonna blend this up a bit, just to break it down. And then as it's going, you're going to add your melted chocolate to it. Oh, yum. Ruben's on the tools today, he's on the camera. Thank God, we're both eaters. See how thick and rich that is? It's like a lovely, and that's what the Cara does. It really kind of sets straight away. And you want it to hold like that. It doesn't fall. So you're going to set this aside in the fridge. Until our biscuits are ready. So this is our cream filling. I know, right? It's so good. Okay, I'm just going to clean this up, and then we'll put this in the fridge, and then we'll get to the next step. Oh my God, that's so fucking good. Literally got chocolate all everywhere. Oh, that was a moment. That was really good. Really good. It's the best epic all-round frosting I've ever made in my whole life. Okay, now for the biscuit situation. Okay, we need to put all the wet ingredients into one bowl and all the dry into the other. So coconut sugar. Now with coconut sugar, have a look at this. It's quite grainy. Don't know whether you can see that up close, but it really is. Just chuck it into the Vitamix and you'll get a fine texture. That's all I did. Blitz it up for a few seconds. Simple. What else? We need the cacao powder in there. So we've got spelt flour. This is not gluten-free. If you want to change it to gluten-free, go right ahead. Look at me. It's like you go right ahead. I'm sure you gluten-free humans out there know what you're doing. Please put your comments below. Tell me what you did so I can learn as well, because I'm not a big one on gluten-free baking. It's really not my area of expertise. I'd like it to be. If there's a gluten-free baker out there who wants to train me, I'm up for it. I live in Indonesia. This is my studio. Ruben's behind the camera. It's what we do. Come over, hang out and teach me how to bake gluten-free without all the vegan rubbish of the fake butters and all the crap. Only real food. Okay, so that's that part. So need to mix this dry ingredients up, and we need to add our raising agents in there. So I'm using Bob's Red Mill's isms, baking powder and baking soda. So I've got 1 teaspoon of powder and I need half of soda. Now why, you ask? There's 2 different ones in there? I don't know. Just because it just rises better and does its thing. Okay, I'm going to whisk this up really well. Get all those lumps out. Now we need all our wet ingredients. So I've got 250 mils of coconut milk. You can use any plant-based milk you like. And I've got some neutral oil. This could be macadamia nut oil, rice bran oil, coconut oil. Just depends. You could do half and half, like a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of rice bran, just depends. I've got some vanilla in there. You want to whisk this up. Now I've got some water on standby because it might not be liquid enough. And now I'm going to add this into here. A little bit of a time, just gathering up the isms from the outside. So as I'm stirring, I'm pulling in from the outside the dry to the wet. It's a technique I learned watching cooking shows. I love cooking shows. I find them amazing. Stirring this all through. Getting all those lumps out. Okay, check it out. Don't overmix it because it'll go tough. Always taste it. Oh, that tastes good. Oh my God. Okay. That tastes damn fine. You're gonna add a little bit of salt. Pull out more flavour. Now I don't need any extra water. I had it there on the side just in case. Oh, I'm so happy with this right now. Oh my God. Okay. I need a situation. Come up here with me. It's kind of my area where I have like stashes of stuff. Like I really want to learn pastry and I buy all these things, right? And I never use them because I don't know what to do with them. Oh yeah, we'll use that. I've got so much stuff up here. I've got a temperature situation to temper chocolate. I've got chocolate molds and oh, it's just amazing. I love it. Some people buy shoes, I buy kitchen equipment. This is a piping bag. And what I want to do is get my isms ready. So I need a tray. Maybe 2. I need baking paper. Imagine this, right? There's this biscuit and it's like a disc and it's chocolatey and there's this cream frosting chocolatey situation in the middle and it's like a sandwich. That's what we're creating. So hang in there. Oh my God, I'm hilarious. Look at this. This is what I have learnt watching cooking shows, is you get the bag. Is that how you do it? Hang on a minute, hang on a minute, hang on a minute. Hang on a minute, hold the line, caller, hold the line. That's it. There we go. I haven't cut the bottom yet, okay? So I'm just putting it in. My pastry chefs would be so proud of me right now. Actually, what would they say? They would say, don't fill it up to the top, Cynthia. I'm channeling one of my pastry chef mates right now. Oh man, that tastes so damn good. Okay, this is what's really cool about this. So get all the air out and then twist up here. Get your knife and cut about there and then come over here. Oh no, don't do that, Cynthia. And then make a somewhat kind of a disc, all the same size and all the same height. Come on, Cynthia, come on, mate. You got this, all the same height. Come on. Okay, they're going to go in the oven and we're going to cook them for 10 minutes and then we're going to check them out. Yep, my pastry chefs would be really proud right now. All right, this is going off. I put it on for 10 minutes. I'm going to check them. One thing about baking, right, there's two situations in the oven. I put them one on the middle and one on the bottom. Now I know the bottom's going to cook faster, so in between that 10 minutes I did that just to get it even, because you know that's what pastry chefs do. How are my little discs going? Oh, they're sublime. I don't know whether they're cooked or not. How do you know? How do you know? How do you know? All right, so I'm just going to get one and just kind of, oh God, I don't want to. What do you think, Ruben?
Are they supposed to be soft inside?
They're supposed to be very soft inside. Because as they cool, they're going to get harder, right? So I think they're cooked. This can be our demo situation where we, yeah, they're cooked. See that flour?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. This is very promising, everyone. This is very, very promising. Very gently do that. We're going to cool them and then we're going to put the frosting in between them and then we're going to squish them and then we're going to eat them with chai. Just using some of that leftover paper, which I'm going to scrunch up to go in my ism. Very proud of these. Me and Ruben are like, wow, they really worked. They really worked. And my gorgeous cream filling is sublime. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. So what I want to do is grab a chair actually. And I just want to put this in between them, and I don't know how much actually to put in between them. My friend Dana's here. Dana, how much would I put in between them?
I say lots.
How much is lots?
Like, if you think it's enough, do another leg.
Kind of want them to be the same size, right? This is fun. Seriously.
Which one?
Only one.
Yeah, no, that texture's good.
Really?
Yeah. Because then it melts like it just... Mm-hmm.
It's like a cake sandwich.
Mm. Mm.
It's a cake sandwich.
It's a cake sandwich.
It's not a biscuit.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But I reckon
Yes,
if I put them in the fridge, they would go.
Mm-hmm. No, but this is nice.
Oh, that's kind of...
I like it.
Really?
I like the crunch on the outside.
It's a cake
But
sandwich.
you want it to be soft and in with this. I love your in the middle.
Mm-hmm. Oh my God. All right.
And that's cacao paste.
That's cacao paste and coconut cream.
Stop it.
No, not going to. Oh my
Yeah, you
God.
can't.
She made the quick caramel for my YouTube. Check on my channel, which you're on, and you'll see the quick caramel video that you made the other day.
It was divine. I want to make that one again for banoffee pie.
That's a really good idea.